Assalamu alaikum, dear participants. Today the topic of this lesson is Orange Level Set 2 Dad's Red 10. So let's see how we can teach this reader and how students can learn how to blend independently. So these are going to be the discussion points. Teachers can discuss the title and they can revise the sound before starting the reader, discuss characters and setting as well. It's important to know that we are here in the group 2. We have got this set, and in this set we have got three readers: Hens, Hen and Cat's Picnic, Pet Panic, Dad's Red Tent. So we can see that in this reader we are covering group 2 of the sounds. First of all, teachers can guide students to match capital letters with small letters. Through this activity, teachers can encourage understanding and identification of capital letters as well. So you see that we have got two types of activities over here: identifying sounds and their capital letters, identifying and matching of the sounds with capital letters. And then we have got this caption where all the characters are here, and teachers can encourage blending of this phrase. So here we have got this title over here. We can see that there is a tent outside, so they seem to be camping, and it's night time. Teachers can discuss night, and the children over here, and there is a light, I guess. Some of their quilts in the tent, and they're all peeping outside. So we have got characters. In this character, we have a main character, that is dad, and we have got three children. Three children can be recognized as per their clothing ages as well. Eldest one is Tim, then in the middle there's Anne and Ed on the far left corner. Okay, teachers can discuss vocabulary and give sentences or phrases for blending. For example, teachers can ask students to read this. Students can start blending. It's important not to let the child listen or copy the teacher. Teachers are not supposed to read this phrase, it's for the students. So let's have a look at this reader. Teachers can discuss reading comprehension through pictures as well. What's happening in this picture? What are the things in this picture? They can talk about the football, shoes, what's happening here, where is this thing happening, if it's a garden, what is the time, so where are they at the moment, what's going on, what's happening now. It's better for the students to hold the book in their hands. Once the book is with them, they feel comfortable in reading it. We have got lots of things over here. We have got lots of decodable words, lots of pictures over here. Teachers can encourage students to blend. They can also tell the students to match the pictures with the numbers, what comes first, what comes at the end. They can develop picture story, and they can also retell in their own words what's happening in the story. बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ प्लान की जा सकती हैं. पिक्चर स्टोरी डेवलप की जा सकती है, रिटेलिंग डेवलप की जा सकती है, पिक्चर डिस्क्रिप्शन डेवलप की जा सकती है. इस तरह की बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ जो है वो आप एक ही रीडर से करवा सकते हैं. Then comes dictation. These words can be given for dictation. Students can listen carefully, write down, and then check their work. There are 5 major steps of dictation. First of all, you can write the word on the board, explain all the sounds in it, let the child hold one finger for each sound, count the sound. For example, it's in this word dress. How many sounds are here? D, R, S. 4 sounds. And how many letters are here? There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Yes, 5 letters and 4 sounds are there. So these are the dictation words, and you can also have more dictation words like these from the reader. You can also use lots of phrases and words for blending. यहाँ पर ये चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि देखें कि ये देखें ये एक वर्ड है, सिंगल वर्ड, ठीक है, स्टैंड इन सैंड, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमारे पास वर्ब आ रहा है और ऑब्जेक्ट भी आ रहा है. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी, बिकॉज वर्ब आ जाएगा तो ये हमारा सेंटेंस बन जाएगा. ओके, एंड this one is a net and a map. We don't have any verb here. यहाँ पे कोई भी verb नहीं है, तो ये हमारे पास सिंगल फ्रेज है. वर्ब के बगैर जो है वो फ्रेजेस हैं. इस तरह से आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आप अब बच्चों को 2 लेटर 3 लेटर 4 लेटर वर्ड से आगे आप उन्हें फ्रेजेस और सेंटेंसेस पर लेकर आते हैं. देन कम कॉम्प्रीहेंशन क्वेश्चंस. कॉम्प्रीहेंशन क्वेश्चन जो है वो लैंग्वेज के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. लैंग्वेज इंप्रूव होती है, बच्चे जो है उनकी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग स्किल्स इंप्रूव होती हैं. सो यू कैन आस्क अबाउट द पिक्चर, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, और इसी तरह से जो 5 आपके क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स हैं, व्हाट, व्हेन, व्हाई, वेयर, हु, विच, ये आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं कॉम्प्रीहेंशन के लिए. And there we have got some questions made by the authors. You can also use these. So आपने ऑरेंज रीडर्स के सेट को जब भी यूज़ करें स्कूल्स में, so you can use these strategies for teaching blending. And you can also do homeschooling as well. Okay, thank you so much everyone.